Hi and welcome to Bikerheadz. My name's Ed Miles and this is the 2019 Protective Hoodie Hoodiz from Bering. So what we've got here is a beautiful, stylish hoodie from Bering. So as you can see, it's a beautiful style, lovely cotton material down the front, down the back, down the arms. Just looks like a normal hoodie. As you can see here, you can wear that casually down the street anytime you like. But of course, this being a Bering motorcycle product, it has got some motorcycle features as well. You get a fully CE-approved product. So even though from the outside it does just look like a normal cotton hoodie, underneath that you've got a mesh material that gives you the abrasion resistance and the protection you need for riding motorcycles. Fully CE-approved for the whole hoodie. There's no panels, it's all approved to CE standards. So you're not losing any protection at all. You still get your elbows and your shoulder protectors in there as well. So that's the newest armour from Bering, coming from the elbows and shoulders. So you get all the protection you want from a product, but it does look fantastic. White tassels coming down the front just to add a little contrast to the black. Just comes in the black colour at the moment. You've got a reflective logo on the front here, bit of active protection as well. Putting the hood up, it's finished beautifully inside as well, nothing skimped at all. Nice quality, heavy duty zip down the front. It's not a waterproof product, this is a summer riding product. If you want to go out in the rain, you're going to want to put something over the top to keep yourself dry. Just two pockets as you expect from any normal hoodie. So again, there's your 3D mesh running down the inside, it's covering the whole of the jacket. So you're getting that protection. You've got an internal pocket with YKK zip on that side, and an internal pocket on that side as well. If I just spin it around to the back so you can see, nothing going on the back at all, keeping it very plain, very simple. It's a lovely quality product from Bering. Back around the front again. So that's the product. 2019 Bering Hoodiz, fully CE approved, fully abrasion resistant and protective, elbow and shoulder protectors all in there. For any more information, please go to bikerheadz.com or like and subscribe below.